Thank you, guys.
President Trump just weighed in the Cuban.
I didn't care that. I'll let other people use their words. It's not a word I would use.
Well,
My source tonight, the Republican Senator from Missouri, Eric Schmidt. And Senator, it's great to have you here. You just heard from your colleagues, but on the relationship between Trump and Zelensky overall, do you believe it's just essentially fractured at this point? Is there any repairing it? Is that a more accurate description of Putin or Zelensky?
Well, look, I think he was stating the obvious, which is Zelensky ought to have election.